Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So before we get into the progressive opportunity, I did want to give you some bonus opportunities, which includes a UPS position as well. So make sure you go ahead and keep watching. So this is the UPS opportunity. This is a company called Rody, which is a UPS company. Okay, so they're looking for a customer support specialist. Now, Rody is a UPS company. It is a leading logistics and delivery platform that helps businesses tackle the complexity of modern retail with unmatched delivery coverage, flexibility, and visibility. Okay, so for this position, who brings, as far as the customer support specialist they're looking for, who brings excellent communication and problem solving skills and operates with a customer face mentality. In this role, you'll act as an expert user of our mobile and web based tools, ensuring the success of logistics services and great experience for our users. Customer support specialists work full time on a 4-day work schedule that may include non-traditional hours such as evenings, weekends, and holidays. So some of the things that you'll be doing is provide phone, email, and text-based support to Rody customers, partner users, and other community members. You address all customer concerns politely using active listening skills to understand and confirm the information, and much more. As far as experience, 1+ years of customer experience, optimally with technology or logistics company. So this is a entry-level position. Must have the ability to work a schedule comprised of non-traditional hours, including evenings and weekends, and much more. Here are some of the benefits. They have competitive compensation packages. They have the technology you need to get the job done. Monthly work from home stipends, monthly 3-day weekends, tuition and student repayment and loan repayment assistance. That's right, Rody will contribute directly to your existing student loans. If you are interested working with Rody, make sure you check out Rody and make sure you check out their other positions as well. The next company we have is from a company called Brightree, and they're looking for a patient success representative. Okay, so with this position, I'm going to scroll down. Let's open this up so you can see it a little bit better, because it'll be a lot easier. I might have opened it up already. Here we go. Sorry about that, you guys. Here it is. So once again, this is from a company called Brightree, and they're looking for a patient success representative. It's also from a company with them is by ResMed. Okay, but you can go to brightree.com and look for the career section. But with this position, the technology allows us to provide tools to better outcome, but our hearts, we're really about people. We strive to positively impact our customers, businesses, and the lives of patients every single day. So working in a call center now, tired of coming to an office, Brightree by ResMed is hiring motivated callers ready for a change and eager to work for a growing, innovative company with great pay and benefits. Our fully remote positions offer competitive pay, medical, dental, 401k, employee stock purchases plan. Equipment is also provided, and the pay is $17 an hour. Now, with this position, you can expect to work 40 hours a week. The shift of Monday to Friday between the hours of 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. Central Standard Time, which will be an 8-hour shift per day. Your schedule will include 2 paid 15-minute breaks as well as 30 minutes unpaid lunch. Now, with this position, they're looking for some full-time customer service specialists in the resupply space. The customer service specialist will make and receive follow-up calls to and from medical equipment patients. Calls are patient follow-up for solicitation of resupplying of existing products. Okay, so the candidates must have experience providing customer service via phone, strong attention to detail, and the ability to utilize multiple computer applications while providing the best-in-class customer service. Okay, here are some of the other things that you'll be doing. As far as skills and experience, they're looking for someone who has a high school diploma. High school education is required. It doesn't say diploma, it just says education, but I'm assuming that means a diploma. 1 year of customer service experience, 1 year of sales experience. So this is very entry level. Ability to make 20 to 25 calls per hour. Here's some preferred stuff, but not required. And if you are interested, make sure you read over more about their different benefits and things like that. And make sure you check out their other positions as well. Once again, that is Brightree by ResMed. The next company we have is called US Storage Centers. You can go to usstoragecenters.com, and we're going to scroll all the way down. And this position is a seasonal sales center representative. This is a part-time position, okay? So it is from April to October. The pay is between $17 to $20 an hour. And the duties and responsibilities will be like responding to inbound telephone calls for customer-wide inquiries, set reservations and holds by working with customer needs and demands, answering inquiries by clarifying desired information, and much more. As far as education experience, high school diploma is required. Some college is preferred. Some previous telesales experience a plus, but not required. As far as skills, they're looking for people with excellent interpersonal skills, written, oral, and communication skills. As far as benefits for seasonal part-time employees, generous paid time off, so you can earn 6 days per year at the start of your hire date. They have paid on the ongoing professional development and training. They have huge potential and growth mentorship and so much more. Recognition of hard work. If you are interested in usstoragecenters.com, please make sure you check out this seasonal position, and please check out their other positions as well. The next company we have is from a company called Clarative. Hopefully I'm saying that right. They're looking for an operations support specialist. Now, with this position here, they say, do you know someone who you think would be a great fit for this position? To share this job with someone, please click the refer a friend icon at the top of the page. This icon is to the right of the star icon. Okay, so you want to look for the star icon, and then you can share this with your someone who may be looking for a position. Okay, so the position requires operational support specialists to assist the recovery team performing various duties when needed. The duties require intermediate in knowledge and subrogation process. That's a new word. I haven't heard that word before. Responsibilities include sorting, scanning incoming correspondence, data entry, and creating new subrogation cases. That's another word. That's that word again. So here are some of the different responsibilities. Once again, we already talked about data entry. You're going to be reviewing claims. You're going to retrieve an image prior to prioritizing the daily incoming mail. You're going to be processing incoming emails, faxes, and voicemails into the discovery case management system. Sorry, guys. And so much more. Here are some of the requirements here. We have high school diploma or GED with 1+ years of an office environment, prefer experience in medical claims industry. So we have another entry-level position. Typing skills, a minimum of 45 words per minute. Basic knowledge, strong communication, some knowledge of Microsoft 365. Required licensures, professional certification, and or board certifications as applicable. So it looks like you may need it or you may not, but if you don't have it, I would still apply anyways. As far as compensation, $18.50 an hour, and they do have benefits and things like that. You can see here, your medical, 401k, tuition reimbursement, and things like that. So make sure you check out hopefully I'm saying that right. Clarative. And you can just do a Google search for that, but search for their positions and make sure you check out their other positions as well. The next company we have is called Tomorrow Health. You can do a Google search on them as well. All of the companies, unless I say the website, just do a Google search for the company and go to their careers page. But they're looking for a care advocate, okay? So for this position, you'll be responsible for handling inbound and outbound inquiries with patients, providers, suppliers, and other clients via phone, fax, and email, along with processing orders to ensure a smooth patient experience. So as a member of the customer experience team, you will be working at the heart of what sets us apart. You will manage order intakes, performing internal workflows to capture and process patient orders end to end, remotely engaging with patients and caregivers by doing outreach via phone, email, and other communication platforms, and interacting with our healthcare partners. Okay, so here are some of the other things you'll be doing, like order intakes and prescription retrieval, order confirmations, order status updates, and things like that. 2+ years of experience in customer success or customer service role, healthcare experience or knowledge is preferred but not required. So that's pretty entry level. It's not like a lot of experience. This is a remote position, of course, so you'll be having to have the following: high-speed internet access and access to a HIPAA compliant private workspace. Sorry, guys. The ability to work Eastern hours. Available shift is 8 a.m. to 4:30 Eastern or 9 a.m. 5:30 Eastern. Here are the different benefits. Commuter benefits. They have unlimited vacation, company-sponsored life and AD insurance, and much more. The pay is up to about $49 a year, depending on the experience and qualification. Plus, you get equity. So if you're interested, make sure you check out Tomorrow Health and make sure you check out their other positions as well. I did want to give you like a transcriber, captioning, translator type of position, and this is with a company called SpeechPad. You can go to speechpad.com/worker/jobs. So SpeechPad offers a variety of jobs to suit your skills, aptitude, and experience. So new workers generally start out as transcribers doing general transcription. As an entry-level transcriber, you'll find there are plenty of advancement opportunities to move. You can see what those are, to move into roles that afford higher pay and greater responsibility. For example, after becoming experienced transcribers with a high rating, you could advance to the reviewer role, which you can click here to find out what that is, where you will be editing work of the transcriber, or you will become a captioner, which you click here and it will take you there. In that role, you'll start off doing video transcription and eventually learn to work with our captioning console as a captioning reviewer. If you are an experienced translator, you can click here and we will work with you as well. So here are the transcribers. It tells you what they do, the captioners, the translators, and the reviewers. If you are interested, you'll click any of the following of the above icons about the role. If you'd like to learn more about the overall process, please visit our how it works and getting paid pages. If you have specific questions, try our frequently asked or contact page with your unanswered questions. So if you click here, frequently asked questions, it will take you to the frequently asked questions like getting started. Like, do I need any special software? What types of jobs is available? So you have your getting the job here, then you have finding the job, qualifications, your ratings, working on the job, getting paid. So how will I be paid? So depending on the job, so all jobs are priced with audio minutes. So the price per minute varies depending on the job type, but generally falls between $25 to $1 per minute. You might also receive bonuses for jobs you've done that our customers rate highly. So getting paid for more information. So when do I get paid? So workers are paid every Tuesday and Friday for all files that were approved as of midnight, Monday and Thursday GMT. So it looks like you'll get paid, I guess, weekly, once a week, looks like. So you'll get paid every Tuesday and every Friday. So you get paid 2 times a week, looks like. So based off of the work that you did. So Monday and Thursday. So workers are paid every Tuesday and Friday for all files that were approved as of midnight, Monday and Thursday. Okay. So you pretty much get paid, I guess, 2 times a week. Let me know if I'm reading that wrong. But if you are interested, make sure you check out SpeechPad and just look through all of this information before you go ahead and apply. Now for the Progressive opportunity. Now Progressive actually has multiple positions, but once you go over to their page, you want to make sure that you hit remote. They have 83 positions right now. Okay. They're looking for things from central claims reps to licensed insurance agents. And that's the one that we're going to check out, the licensed insurance agent. So you can go to careers.progressive.com. And right here it says this position doesn't provide training to obtain a license. So please make sure that you have an active property and casualty or personal lines license before applying. So you have to have a license before applying. If you don't have a license, you can go back to their page and find other positions as well. So they are looking for someone who has Spanish, English positions also available too. So if you know both, that's a good thing. Okay. So let's scroll down a little bit. For the training, it does start June or July of 2025. The schedule is a full-time position. Most schedules will include a combination of weekdays, 1 weekend day, and evening hours after completion of training. So here are the requirements that you need. So the computer that is provided to you must be physically connected to the router or modem by a cable, no wireless connection. Here is the pay, $22 an hour. They also have gainshare annual cash incentive payments up to 16% of your eligible earning based on the company. They have additional 10% when you work evenings and week evenings and weekend hours. They have performance-based rewards, additional money if you are bilingual, 401k, medical, computer development, tuition assistance, and things like that. Let's scroll all the way up to the top. So with this position, if you enjoy helping others flourish in a fast-paced environment, you might be a good fit for Progressive insurance agent position. In this work from home role, you'll focus on building relationships with customers through high-value inbound calls, no cold calling, no commission. You'll assist customers with unique needs, educate them about coverage options, and offer available products tailored to their needs. Bring your active personal lines of property and casualty license, and we'll provide the technology and systems to make the sales process easy. So you can focus on customers, join our customer care team at Progressive, and utilize your customer service communication and organizational skills to grow your career. Okay. So if you're interested, make sure you check out careers.progressive.com. I'm going to go back to the other page. Once again, they have 83 jobs. So if you don't have a license and not willing to obtain a license, you can go through the list to see what else they have available. They have about 4 pages, but it looks like most of their pages are going to be a licensed agent. But what you can do is, I do have these checked, so you can uncheck these, and then you can just have it for, let's see here, remote. So that gives you 96 jobs. So if that one doesn't work out for you, you can also check out the central claims rep and all these other positions as well, just in case the licensed insurance agent does not work out for you. So make sure you check out Progressive. Make sure you check out all these other companies. Make sure you check out my links in the description. My first link is for a free remote starter ebook. I have some other links to some other side hustles that I am doing right now. One of them is Flip. I've cashed out with them about 2 times. I will be cashing out at the end of the month. I want to wait until the end of the month. But I've actually made money on there. And there's another app that I'm using, which is called Binnable. It's very new. It doesn't cost any money to get started. And I've actually made money on there. I've been on there for less than a month. And if you're interested, I did do a video talking about it in my shorts as well as on here. So just look for Binnable. I will be doing a video on Flip very soon. So if you're interested in joining, make sure you use my links. Binnable is invite only, and Flip, you can just use my link to go ahead and sign up. You'll get something for it, and I will. If you don't want to use my link, you can just go on your app store for your phone, Android, iPhone, and sign up. And let me know if you sign up so we can follow each other. Okay, so hopefully this video was helpful. If you have any questions about those other side hustles I was talking about, let me know in the comments down below, and I hope you have a blessed day. Take care. God bless you. Bye-bye.